Good morning. It's February 16th, 2017. My name is Jim Whitley, and I'm going to share some of my morning notes with you. As always, be sure you are trading your plan. You know, my dad always said that if you can't explain something really quick as to why you're doing it, then you probably shouldn't be. But anyway, let's take a look at the Qs. And it's just a rocket ship. It's off of the 5-day, off of this hammer here too. Another strong day off of that. 128.17 would be the 5-day right now. Like I said yesterday, just kind of trim and trail mode on this one. The small caps, IWM. Remember we were looking at that 134 to 138, you know, and playing around with it back and forth. Did buy a little bit, you know, to see what would happen, you know, around 138, you know, when it kind of peaked above there. And look, we had a pretty nice day on it there yesterday, pretty strong. The 138.32 now is going to be that 5-day, and we'll see if that turns into support. We do have some strength in the MACD. Real estate, it did come down and touch the 22-day yesterday. It needs to see if we can cross this 79 level. We have to note that we have, you know, lower lows, lower highs. Really got to see if it can get some momentum. If it can cross the 79 level, I mean, there's certainly more upside to go there. Looking at consumer staples, XLP, 53.71 now is the 5-day and the Fibonacci area, so it looks like we have a little bit of support there. We kind of have a target on it of around 55, perhaps 56. We do have some strength in the MACD. Utilities, XLU went ahead and got some of that yesterday off of the 50-day. It finished well, and we're going to just see what happens with it here. We do have a target on it of around 51. CVS, I made it back to the 50-day yesterday. Not a bad day. We got a little cross happening here in the MACD. Gilead had a very strong day to go up here and fill this gap from earnings. Remember, here was day one, ugly like usual for Gilead. Day two, not quite as bad, and then, you know, the ship kind of turned around. So we're going to just continue to see what happens there. Got some SBUX. Let's see, now it's above the 50-day. It does have a hammer, so it's kind of cleared this moving average cluster, and now we're kind of dealing with this gap area here still. Let's see if we can go ahead and fill that, and there's certainly more upside. It did cross down here in the MACD. ExxonMobil's trying to turn things up. Like I said, we're just kind of gingerly in this one here, and see if these energy stocks can go ahead and finally get some attention. So that'll do it for my morning notes this morning. You can connect with me on Twitter and Facebook at Whitley Trading. Emails can be sent to jimwhitleytrading@gmail.com. Y'all have a fantastic day, and we'll catch up with you a little bit later.